Blueberry and all her little kittens. Here. Just resting. See if I can zoom in. Get them. Good here. We have 3 little blue points in here. Yeah, these are the cuties. Red Blueberry. Yeah. Lilacs and blues. Out of Tyson and Blueberry. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very happy. Very happy with this litter. All very healthy babies. Yes, very healthy.